In this video, I will show you how to add a user in your Telegram account. So open Telegram. Now here click on this menu, then settings. Here click on add username. Choose your username. You can choose a username on Telegram. If you do, other people will be able to find you by this username and contact you without knowing your phone number. You can use A to Z 0 to 9 and underscores. Minimum length is 5 characters. This link will open a chat with you. So add a add a username, then save it. So this way you can add a username to your Telegram account. Thanks for watching.